This has been a traumatic year for law enforcement officers in Colorado, with 3 line-of-duty deaths coming just weeks apart.
Well, there are new protections in place to help officers specifically, or deputies, who are struggling emotionally after the death of a coworker. News 5's Andy Cohen in studio tonight with our top story at 5. Andy.
Rob and Elizabeth, state lawmakers updated the Workers' Compensation Act so that officers can now seek treatment for PTSD without fear of losing their jobs. It's a small step toward a much larger goal of improving our public understanding of mental health issues and encouraging patients to get some help.
The death of a coworker is traumatic, and for Colorado law enforcement agencies, it's happened with tremendous frequency this year. It's why mental health advocates want to get the word out that it's okay to reach out for help.
It's one of the reasons that we're encouraging folks, including officers, to seek counseling. It's one of the reasons Colorado set up a 24/7 counseling and crisis call line.
State lawmakers last year updated the Workers' Compensation Act to allow peace officers and other professionals to get those benefits on the grounds of post-traumatic stress disorder.
It's not a sign of weakness to seek out and talk to someone. And what you'll find at the other end of that line is a mental health professional or a peer specialist, somebody who has experienced a mental health or substance use disorder themselves, and somebody who can talk you through what you might be going through and make sure that you're getting appropriate help.
And while Coloradoans are gradually improving their understanding of mental health issues, he estimates at least 500,000 people here still suffer in silence out of fear of retribution.
We had to make mental health screening, in other words, just as routine, just as universal as getting your blood pressure checked or your temperature taken. In fact, it ought to be offered in the same place.
And one way he hopes to change that narrative is by getting young people connected to treatment sooner. Mental Health Colorado will soon launch a pilot program to expand services for students in School District 11.
In most cases, the symptoms of mental illness usually occur during adolescence, in about half the cases by the age of 14.
And Mental Health Colorado has a free anonymous self-screening app on their website. They encourage anyone who's struggling emotionally to try it out. There are even some questionnaires for parents who might have concerns about their teenage kids. Elizabeth?
Andy.